With the product structure editor, not only can we visualize a assembly structure in tree format, we also get a real-time cross-highlighting enabled graphical view on the right hand side here. But more than that, we can also modify this product structure by again creating new parts, which can then have geometry added to them in CAD software, or insert existing parts. Let's take a look at how this works. So we'll simply right click on the top level here and choose to insert a existing product. You can just simply start searching. So search for our bracket and it comes up with our search result there. Let's insert the bracket. And what you can see is that when it's inserted into the structure, again, we've got the opportunity to reorder it if required, but it also positions it in 3D. Now, while this isn't CAD, we do have some tools available if we wanted to perhaps change the position or the rotation. So again, this isn't mating like we would have in SOLIDWORKS or other CAD softwares. This is just simple positioning that a CAD designer may fully accurately position and constrain the components later on. Again, if we wish to replace any component with its latest revision, this can be achieved in the product structure editor with a simple right click. What we can see here is we now have an extra bit of clearance around the shaft with the larger hole in the bracket. So that's how in the product structure editor we can visualize a product structure both in tree format and graphically. We can insert existing parts or create new parts to add more information about our structure, and we can update the revisions of any of the parts or components that have been added to the structure as well, all from within a browser.